Hi, this is New Internet Wealth, and today I want to talk about how to make money with PLR products, and specifically how to use PLR products to sell ebooks. Ebooks are very popular. People more and more just love to download them, read them, get quick information, and have that ebook available on their phone, their tablet, their laptop, wherever they like to read them. So Amazon Kindle is a very popular place to buy ebooks. You can buy everything from nonfiction to fiction to educational, all types of ebooks. And so today we're going to talk about how to use PLR products to create beautiful ebooks that you can sell on sites like Amazon Kindle or other sites online where people buy ebooks. So let's talk first about PLR. So PLR stands for Private Label Rights, and that's where you're buying products that are done for you that you're then able to sell as your own. So these can be anything from ebooks to video series, audio series, even websites and software. You need to be able to find a place to buy PLR products. One of my favorites is this site called bigproductstore.com, and you'll find different PLR websites online. They're of varying quality, so be careful. Bigproductstore.com is continuously adding new products to their site. Right now, they have over 10,000 different types of PLR products, and they offer all kinds of different types of products. So, as I'd mentioned earlier, you can get audio PLR products, article packs, ebooks, software, videos, even done-for-you websites, WordPress themes, templates, etc. So lots and lots to offer here. They do have a couple pricing plans. You can either get, I'm sorry, I'm logged in right now. You'll see the pricing on their site. It's either $20 a month, I believe, or $100 for a lifetime account. I purchased the lifetime account because now I have access for the rest of my life to all these products, and I use PLR products quite a bit. So when you're browsing for products, first, obviously, when you're wanting to sell an ebook, you need to decide what you want that ebook to be about. Now, again, as we browse through their products, they have them in here. You can search by the type of product. You can search by, again, what type here. You can also search by the license type, or you can search by the, a specific subject matter. Now, just to point out really quickly, they just added these two products today. They added these two yesterday. So they're just frequently and continuously uploading new products. So for this, we're going to use the example of creating an ebook in the keto diet niche. So the keto diet as a subject. And so if we search for a keto diet, you can see they have lots of different products, okay, a couple pages worth of products. And so they have, some videos, some ebooks, several ebooks, etc. This is an ebook, and then it looks like they have a video upgrade version of that ebook. We're going to go ahead and just use this ebook. So you can click on it, and then once you open it up, they're going to tell you exactly what you're getting, right? This is master resale rights, so you could sell it. Kind of covers what is being taught in here. You just click download, and you will download typically a zip file to your computer with everything that's in there. Now, I did download this and unzip it already, so you can see what's in there. And so this has not only the ebook, but it has several other things that you could use if you want to, especially if you decide maybe you want to try and sell this as your own product. You also get a checklist, a cheat sheet, a mind map. They include a sales page, an opt-in page if you want to collect email addresses, some graphics that you can use, email swipes for your autoresponder, and some social media images to promote the product on social media. Well, in this video, we are just talking about creating our own ebook that we can then sell on Amazon Kindle. So all we really need is the ebook from this product. And when you open this up, it's a PDF file, and this is what it looks like. You can see really nice graphics. It has obviously a disclaimer, but then the table of contents. And you can see some really great information about the keto diet, meal planning, and then recipes. So really good overview, and lots of nice graphics included. And what we're going to do, you could sell this book as its own. So that is one option. But if you're going to want to upload, you can't upload it as it is to Amazon Kindle or other ebook sites because it's considered duplicate content if you do that, and they would reject it. So if you want to sell it as your own, you're going to need to rewrite the content. And there's some simple ways that you can do that. Let's take this first paragraph, and we are going to copy this. Okay, so we have the text copied, and we're going to go over to talk about a couple of ways that we can rewrite this so that it becomes unique content. There's an online website that does a really good job called Quillbot. I'll leave a link in the description box below. And basically what it lets you do is on this left side, put the content in, and then hit paraphrase, and it'll rewrite it and put the output on this right side. And then you can take that output, run it through Copyscape or other kind of plagiarism checkers, and you'll see how unique it is. And it does make it in a very readable format as well. So I'm right now just using this free version. When you go to their website, this is what comes up. They do have a premium option, which is about $75 a year, and it gives you a lot more options, and able to rewrite more at one time. So in the free version, you can rewrite in standard or fluency options. You can choose how much, move the slider to dictate how much you want it to change. But on the left side, we're just going to paste in this introduction paragraph. Obviously, you could paste in more, and then we're just going to hit paraphrase, and you can see it's going to rewrite it. Now, you can go through any of these places. You can, maybe you don't like this word, you can go through this and read it, make sure it's readable to you. Usually does a very good job, but if you don't like it, it can give you options of things you can change it to. So you can then take this, copy and paste it, run it through Copyscape, etc., to make sure it is unique. But it usually is going to pass almost every single time. If it doesn't, then you can, click the rephrase it, redo it, change things up, etc. So it's very, very flexible to make sure you get unique readable content. Another option is there's lots of spinners out there that do similar. Spin Rewriter is the one that I use. It's about $77 a year as well. It has a one-time or lifetime license option also. The big difference is it'll rewrite it into readable text, but it also gives you output in spun text format, so you can actually respin it over and over very easily, etc., and that can be utilized in websites that allow for spun text to be inserted. So for our sakes, this is the Quillbot is certainly a simple way to do it. Spin Rewriter is also a simple way to do it. So you take your new content on this side, and you should then want to copy and paste this into a Word document or a text document of some sort, and just keep going through the book and continue to add new content on this side, redo it, take the new content, and just keep adding it to your text document. Now, once you have all your content from the ebook rephrased or spun in so that it's unique content, now you have to turn that into an ebook. You can do this manually. You can certainly use Word documents, and you can create your own ebook. You can have some graphics made up for you. Obviously, there were some graphics included, with the product that you purchased, so you could, use the graphics if you wanted to. Although you may want to, again, if you're going to try to make it really unique, come up with your own graphics. Now, a much easier way to make your ebook, much easier and much faster, is to use some type of software that'll generate it for you. This is an example of an online software that does that. It's called Scribble. It does a really, really good job, and it does it very, very quickly. So I'm just going to scroll down real quick. They do have a video so you can watch and see exactly how it works. But essentially all you do is, you choose the template that you want for your book. You just put in your content, okay? And it'll, the content that you just respun, and then it's going to customize it and publish it, okay? And it's going to create a cover for your book. It's going to create a table of contents. It's going to add images throughout, and it really does a very nice job. So this is, what you would just get from a Word document, pretty plain and boring. You really want something nice so that if you're trying to sell it on Amazon Kindle or one of these other sites. And so instead of getting something plain and boring like this, what Scribble is going to do is give you something like this. Nice graphics on the page, appropriate images. Just looks really, really professional and polished. And that's important because you want to stand out on Amazon Kindle. You want to make sure that you get good reviews. You get good reviews because you're providing good content and because readers are enjoying, the layout, the appearance, and how things look and how they're put together. So just to recap really quickly, very simple process to do. It's really not complicated at all. And the beauty is once you have books up on Amazon Kindle, you do the work one time and then that's it. Then you just make sales, you continue to make sales, you continue to make money from the work that you did one time. But essentially you want to, choose your subject matter, go and find some quality private label rights products, either articles or ebooks that you can turn into your own ebook. I recommend bigproductstore.com. Download the product, take the text, run it through a rewriter such as Quillbot.com or Spin Rewriter. Once you've rewritten all that text, then turn it into a book. And you can either do that yourself or use software that'll do it very quickly, very simply, and make a very nice, polished, professional ebook that you can upload to Amazon Kindle and sell as your own. So I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. Please give a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and subscribe so you can stay up to date as new videos come out.